Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I just got a new E88 air drone. Okay, and it has the remote control with the screen attached on it. And now let's see what inside the box and what accessory that we got from the drone. Okay, let's look around the drone box and now take it out. Inside the box you have another bag. So before you take out, you can see the thickness of the bag. This is thin and this is more. So you can put the drone in this position. Okay, now take it out. Inside the box you've got a drone, remote control, and I take all accessory out. Okay, you got the micro USB adapter that can plug to your computer, and it has the 8 GB SD card in here. Okay, one manual, two manual, and we got some accessory inside this plastic bag. You got 4 propeller. This is the spare propeller guide, 4 USB to Type-C that you can charge to your remote control, USB to micro USB, and you can use it to charge your drone battery. Okay, on the remote control you have the Type-C that you can connect to charge the drone battery, and the SD card slot that you can attach the SD card to it. Now take out the plastic. Okay, now we need to take out your drone. And before we can turn on the remote control, now turn on the drone by press the power button on the drone. Here, press and hold. And you can see the light blinking on the drone. And now we are turning on the remote control by pressing this button. Okay, and now receiving data from the drone, and you can see the image on it. And to make the move of the drone, now rotate your wing, and you can see now okay, to stop the drone you need to press this one down until the propeller of the drone stops swinging. Okay, to record the video you need to input the SD card to this remote, and we will record the video by pressing this videos button, and let's see what the output of this drone. Okay, now I install the propeller guide and we insert the SD card to the drone remote. Okay, and we're gonna fly it together. Okay, now we're going to test fly it, and let's see what the view that drone can make to its video. Now let's turn on the drone, turn on the remote control, and then press record. Can see the screen recording now. Okay, let's fly. Okay, now you can see the image output from the drone to the remote control. Okay. It's not so smooth, but it's okay. Fair to its price. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the first time unboxing this E88 air drone. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.